Did you know you can actually switch your CarPlay background right from your Audi MMI? Curious how to do so? Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to refresh your Audi's CarPlay display with a new background of your choice. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Make sure your phone is connected to your Audi and open CarPlay. Go to Settings. Scroll down and click on Wallpaper. You can now select the background that best matches your Audi's interior. By clicking on Set, your new background will be activated and will stay saved as your default display every time you start your Audi. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG car tutorials.